Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram feed to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your latest posts and engage more with your website visitors, especially if you're already creating content on Instagram and want to repurpose it on your site. It helps keep your website fresh, builds social proof, and gives visitors another reason to stick around. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to your Wix website editor. This is where the magic happens. If you're not familiar, the Wix website editor is an intuitive platform where you can build and customize your site by dragging and dropping different elements. If you've ever used a visual builder or worked with Shopify themes, this will feel very familiar and beginner-friendly. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a variety of options and tools available at your disposal. Now let's focus on adding your Instagram feed. Look for the option to add an element. Adding elements is as simple as clicking on a button to insert new features into your site, whether that's content, media, or interactive components that improve user experience. Elements can be anything from text and images to videos and social feeds, which is what we'll be doing today. Click on the Add Element button. You'll notice a menu appears, displaying a plethora of components you can integrate into your site. This menu is where you'll spend a lot of time as you continue building and enhancing your pages. Navigate through this menu and click on Social. This section is specifically designed to help you connect your social media platforms to your website seamlessly. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged with your latest updates via social media and to bridge the gap between your website traffic and your social following. Under the social category, you'll see different options, including one that allows you to link your Instagram feed. Select the option that says Link Instagram Feed and grow followers in one click. This is a handy feature that not only displays your Instagram feed on your site, but also encourages visitors to follow you with just one click. For store owners and creators, this can be a simple but effective way to turn website visitors into long-term followers. It really simplifies building your social media presence directly from your website. After selecting this option, a pop-up will appear, prompting you to agree and add this feature to your site. Click on Agree and Add. By doing so, you're essentially granting permission to connect your Instagram account to your Wix site and making the necessary configurations to display the feed. It's important you read through these agreements just so you're aware of what features will be enabled and how your content will be displayed. Once you've completed these steps, your Instagram feed should now be linked to your Wix website, allowing your visitors to see your latest post without leaving the site. This keeps people engaged longer and helps showcase real, up-to-date content like product launches, behind-the-scenes posts, or customer highlights. It's a smooth and efficient way to bring social content to your website and enhance visitor interaction. And there you have it. Your Instagram feed is now live on your website. Taking the time to integrate this social function can provide a more engaging experience for your visitors and help you grow your online community across multiple platforms. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon with more helpful tips and tutorials.